Horse Mud Ranch, Friday morning, getting ready to head out. Us Dirt Divas, we got to do all kinds of stuff to make sure everything's put together, so got her going. See you out in the mud. Dirt Divas 352 Bog Crew. Dirt Divas getting ready to load up. Good morning from Iron Horse Mud Ranch. Awesome.
Because she can.
Yeah. Are you her friend?
Yeah, I was the one in your way.
Okay, okay. We're going to the other side of the playground. You want something like that? One day you'll be driving, all right?
It's rocking here.
Dirt Diva.
She's like, hold on. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, you were smiling the whole time.
Don't kill me.
Yeah, no. We're not staying home and cleaning house. Going bogging. Mobile meals out here at Iron Horse Mud Ranch.
The boys don't want to go ripping through that. She doesn't care. Like, she has no reverse left. She just goes.
Yep.
She's like, I don't care. Let's show them all up.
Yeah, yeah. Time to feed the animals. I want those green boots. Life as a dirt diva. Look how durable these heaters are. Just got run over by a four-wheeler. It's still intact. Here we are at Iron Horse Mud Ranch. It's wet, muddy, and soggy.
It is, and it's going to get about an hour. It's supposed to be yellow over.
All right, well, we're going to see what we can catch here at the freestyle event. So, nice meeting you and seeing you out here. All right.
That buggy's right up front if you want to get up there and take pictures.
Oh, great.
Put it in reverse.
Ain't no joke. There was a dance, right?
Look where you're going.
I'm feeling it's going to be like a...
The man of the hour right here.
What you got there? Iron Horse Mud Ranch! Button bombers need a break too.
I'm from Canada, so I'm like...
Are you?
3-1841.
Reporting in here at Iron Horse. We're about halfway through the day. It's still sprinkling. It's very cloudy. Sitting out here filming. Something rattling. I look over, there's a snake. See his head? I don't know if it's a rattlesnake or what, but Florida went for help, but now look, we got the whole thing. Gross. All right. of a dirt diva.
Could you imagine? That's what he wanted to do. He's like, you know what? I'm just gonna back off. And
Yep.
he obviously showed. He floats on water.
We leave camp, the men are driving. We come home, the women are driving.
Straps here, I'm not really sure. I guess we're gonna arm wrestle over it. But a challenge at some point. This has been going since like all used to happen.
So wait a minute, Chris. He wants to do a tug of war. I got $1,000 on you.
So, Jessica.
This thing is cool, man. Look at this. Yes.
Right, life is a dirt diva though, right?
Oh yeah.